January 27th, 2021, 5:10 p.m. Yes, it is very much so raining. I need to finish off my gutters. Rain, rain, rain. Outside my back garage door. Crazy, huh? Rain and strawberries. I'll show you guys the strawberries, believe it or not. Okay, so here I am in my carport, and I got me some strawberries. Try to focus in a little bit better. Strawberries in January. My trees are starting to bloom. Alright, so barn's over there. Check these things out. They're already starting to bloom. The blooms are already starting to open right here. I might have to pay somebody to come and put a retarder on here, which I did not want to do. Stress. This is the stressful life of being a almond rancher. You have blooms. Alright, everyone, be safe. Peace out. Oh, and by the way, they're not supposed to bloom until March. In the past, this is going to make year number 3 that they've been blooming at the end of January and the beginning of February. Peace out.